If you head to any grocery store right now, there's a high chance that produce items such as white rice or salmon are either sold out or low in stock. Thanks to TikTok creator Emily Mariko, not only has she created another viral cooking trend, she has also launched a successful email newsletter with over 500,000 subscribers within 24 hours. Additionally, food delivery companies such as Instacart have seen a mass increase in purchases of the ingredients she used. 2021 has been the year where a viral TikTok video has taken on a new life in itself. No longer are vanity metrics just skyrocketing, so are stocks, sales, and opportunities for new businesses to thrive. Hi, I'm Dr. DiDomenico. I'm a second-year professional communications major here at Ryerson University. Additionally, I'm a social media coach specializing in helping new solopreneurs build an organic audience of soulmate clients through SEO-optimized content. Today, I'll be discussing how companies are utilizing TikTok's platform to build their brand identity and sell out their products or services. First, we must look at the rapid rate of TikTok's growth in the pandemic and how it affected the new generation of buyer authority. Then we can explore how businesses are building their brand on TikTok and profiting through social selling. Amidst the global pandemic, TikTok was already a bubbling social platform on the horizon that only exploded in growth when new people sought after new entertainment while in lockdown. The first 3 months of the pandemic were crucial for TikTok's success to attract new users and nurture their engagement with more recommendations of videos tailored to their interests. In the eyes of various industries, the platform was not taken seriously for its marketing power. Circulating videos taken out of context were reposted and critiqued by the general public as an app just for kids who want to make silly dances or skits, like the previous fad, Vine. Until a digital search for a common humanity accelerated the need to share and express opinions on a new algorithm with new faces people hardly know. As time progressed, TikTok created the defining trends of the pandemic, such as the Dalgona coffee, Tiger King remixes, and productivity routines. On the transactional side of these trends, each one had their respective promotion of products from a small or large company, resulting in sold-out products from trends being the new norm. These highly benefited businesses that were already transitioning or started with an e-commerce model. TikTok became the zeitgeist of youth culture, straying away from Gen Z and millennials from the perfectly manufactured content of platforms like Instagram and ushering in the new generation of buying power. In the 2020 journal Navigating the New Era of Influencer Marketing, 40% of TikTok users were young adults ranging from the ages of 10 to 19 years old. Gen Z members are moving into adulthood and now have the discretionary income to purchase items on their own. They're also the generation that grew up with social media platforms, meaning they're familiar with the usual tactics behind social media campaigns and require more persuasion. The online culture of TikTok requires companies to get creative in manufacturing shareable content that provides value to the watcher and incorporates their selling offer without making it obvious product placement. If a company is trying to reach everyone, they're reaching no one. The TikTok algorithm thrives on a niche, fragmented audience. You want to reach a target group with your idea, aka the product or service. Then show them how you can solve their problems. The more polarizing you are, the more effective you'll be in making your brand synonymous with certain images, sounds, or cadences. One example of this is e.l.f. Cosmetics, which became one of the first companies to commission an artist to create a song to promote their brand with Eyes, Lips, Face by Il Bueno. It nonchalantly created an acronym of the brand's name and instantly became a trending audio. Every business also has to find a way to maintain its newfound viral status, as trends move at a lightning pace on the app. A challenge or topic that's popular on TikTok at one moment will be discarded by the next week in no time. Companies must move fast to edit and publish their content, as TikTok has an average shelf life of 30 minutes based on how the algorithm operates. While it is possible to have an older video suddenly gain traction, it's still a new and growing platform, so the success of any video is not guaranteed. A study done on TikTok's content quality on the topic of acne found that 10.9% of the week's top 200 videos under the acne tag had new viral videos ranking near the top the following week. Any thriving business understands the importance of either investing in high-quality TikTok campaigns or sourcing user-generated content from creators to post on their page. While there has always been animosity towards influencers, TikTok has proven once again that it is still a growing industry that shows no signs of slowing down. Most new small businesses are relying on social media as their main outlet of digital marketing, as their content creates the direct consumer to purchase relationship. Brands such as Feel Your Soul put a face behind their brand and showcase the daily operations of their business and apply feedback from the comments. This transparency helps them sell out their online boutique from their TikTok followers alone without investing in other marketing such as Google Ads. The influencer marketing industry was set to reach just under $10 billion in 2021, and larger corporations are approaching content creators to make videos exclusively for that company's TikTok account. Pantene has two of its community managers solely run their TikTok account with full creative control. Their followers can then build a like-no-trust factor with the company based on the quirky personality of the employees versus a capitalist company. TikTok has taken the digital marketing landscape by storm by allowing businesses to cater directly to their target audience and establishing a brand persona to sell with them in the aftermath of the pandemic. The platform has amplified the next generation of the buyer's journey and has reiterated the importance of successful branding through influencer marketing for any business model. So the next time you head out to purchase a product from a certain brand at the supermarket, you might want to check TikTok first to make sure it's not trending.